Hello, everybody, and welcome to Go for Green Living. My name is Daniel, and yes, you're looking at the ultimate tiny house build. So, hey, first, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let me know y'all care, please. Yes, you're looking at the ultimate tiny house build. Ruth and I are combining all of our knowledge together to build this super spectacular tiny house. You know, we thought of everything. You know, self-sufficiency. You know, comfort. Where it actually makes an income at the same time. So it's okay. Now, a lot of people build their house first, and then they put the solar system on and make it self-sufficient. I actually started from the reverse of that. Actually, I designed the house so the solar system is built in first. Right there. The system, the batteries and the inverter were all set over there, and then all the solar panels will be right around this skylight over our loft. So mosquito or something. Now, this was your idea about the 16-foot high greenhouse. So tell us a little bit about your idea with the 16-foot high greenhouse.
That would be a moral dilemma because it was not my idea. I felt like I got that from God. So I have to give God the glory. But whatever, God working through me. I just saw that when we were building this, instead of having two separate units and having a small greenhouse downstairs, I was thinking, how awesome to have room for a banana tree. And ta-da! The two-story greenhouse was born. So I'm thinking maybe to have a date or something there, like a palm or something.
A palm or a day? Well, that would be cool.
It depends how big the banana tree gets, though.
Yeah.
We have like 4 banana trees, so we're basically gonna have to go bananas.
Now, there's also benefits I thought of to our idea of the 16-foot greenhouse. Putting opening and closing windows on the second floor, and that will create a heat chimney effect. So on those warm nights, all the heat from the greenhouse is going to rise and pull in cool air from all the windows. So a natural cooling system from heat. I think that's pretty cool too.
Cool. Yes, or hot.
Plus,
Depends if it's
I
summer or
should tell
winter.
you, on the second floor, when you come into that second floor.
But that was your idea, though.
Yeah, that was mine.
That was your idea. Okay, tell us about your idea.
This on the second floor where the door comes in. It was a lot of open area, a lot of empty space. So we have a little balcony there.
We have to utilize the space somehow.
Yes,
And inspired by Star Wars, you know, we want to have like a floating theme.
Yes, and plus that wall. That back wall is going to be a plant wall. The whole wall is going to be plant wall, but we're not going to grow. See, is a banana.
Yeah, they have to go bananas. Yes. Oh, so they will be coming in here on the second floor, but like a floating balcony, and then they will enter into the rest.
Yes. Now that's something that we haven't told you about. Something we haven't told you about. The second floor is an Airbnb. And for Airbnb experiences, we're going to do some, you know, Root and I, we've been traveling for a while, so we're going to do a little bit of Airbnb and ourselves, Airbnb experiences, because that was our favorite as far when we were traveling.
So you're basically saying we're cherry picking all the things we love to do, and we're going to implement that into our Airbnb business or tourist camp. We're officially a tourist camp now.
Yes, we're officially a tourist camp. Yes.
That's green hippies. You know, green hippies is like low carbon footprint. This is a self-sustainable house that will also bring you income because it's got solar panels and different things we're going to get into. But not only will you be self-sustainable, off-grid, low carbon footprints, but you will also have an opportunity to have income.
Yes.
And that is what Green Hippies is basically about. So we're making a show model here. And the house itself is built in different modules, model 1, 2, and 3. So it's made for you guys, actually. This is the prototype of the Green Hippies, self-sustainable, income-giving, awesome times.
Yes, awesome times. Now, the first thing you got to ask yourself is, can I build a house? Everybody's got to ask that question. And you know what I say? Yeah, you better build your house. That's one thing I believe everybody should do once in their life is build their own house. So no excuses. You can do it. There's enough YouTube videos out there that you can just about do anything. So okay, I got a helpful hint here. All right, you know lumber prices are outrageous right now. Ooh, outrageous. Now, one of those buildings that you go and buy, those storage buildings that everybody's turning the little cabins out, they're not very well built, for one thing, but they run you roughly like $10,000 for a 24-footer. Now, with lumber prices the way they are, I'll have less than $10,000 in a 2-story solar self-sufficient tiny house. So it'll make its own income back. So I would suggest, building your own thing. Of course, you need to build your own house. Everybody should build their own house at least once. With this big roof, a high long roof, I'll be able to get plenty of water catchment. There's Daisy Moo. Hey, Daisy Moo. There. Yeah, I'll be giving plenty of water catchment for animals, for anything. I can run the water just about anywhere on the entire property because this is so high. So building a second floor enables me to store more water, and I do have a 2,000-gallon tank right over there. That's what I'm thinking. So it's going to give me water. It's going to give me power. It's going to give me an income. It's going to give me food. There you go. Here is the ultimate tiny house. Now, see, it's wonderful. Hey, but I'm going to give you a unique opportunity. Root and I are allowing like-minded people, believers in Yeshua, walkers, overcomers, to come here and share time with us. Help us. We'll camp out, have bonfires. We'll have fun. It'll be fun. All right, guys. I love you, and I'll catch you on the next video.